What is AIMS SC Navigator and how does it enhance supply chain management? AIMS SC Navigator is a powerful supply chain management (SCM) tool designed to optimize decision-making by providing real-time insights into a company's supply chain operations. It leverages advanced analytics and optimization algorithms to help businesses plan, model, and optimize their supply chain networks and processes. Here's how it enhances supply chain management. Supply chain visualization. AIMS SC Navigator helps visualize complex supply chains, enabling businesses to understand their supply network and interdependencies. This allows users to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. Real-time decision support. It provides real-time decision-making capabilities by offering insights into key metrics and supply chain parameters. This helps companies react faster to disruptions and make data-driven decisions. Advanced optimization. The tool includes powerful optimization features that allow businesses to simulate different scenarios and find the best course of action for supply chain operations. It uses mathematical models to optimize inventory, transportation, production, and distribution strategies. Scenario planning and what-if analysis. AIMS SC Navigator enables users to perform scenario planning and what-if analysis, allowing businesses to simulate various supply chain scenarios, assess risks, and plan for contingencies. End-to-end supply chain management. It covers the entire supply chain, from procurement to production, warehousing, and distribution. By integrating different parts of the supply chain, it ensures better coordination and collaboration across departments and partners. Data integration. The platform can integrate with various data sources, including ERP systems, IoT devices, and other supply chain management tools, ensuring that all relevant data is available for decision-making. Performance monitoring and reporting. It provides dashboards and reporting tools that help monitor supply chain performance in real time, providing insights into key performance indicators, KPIs, and allowing for better performance management. How do you set up and configure AIMS SC Navigator for your business needs? To set up and configure AIMS SC Navigator for your business needs, follow these general steps. AIMS SC Navigator is typically used for supply chain management, optimization, and analytics, so configuring it involves understanding your business's specific workflows and aligning the tool's capabilities accordingly. 1. Install AIMS SC Navigator. Download and install. Ensure you have the latest version of AIMS SC Navigator installed. You can download it from the AIMS website or your vendor. System requirements. Check that your system meets the necessary hardware and software requirements for the installation. 2. Define your business requirements. Business goals. Clearly define the supply chain problems you aim to solve. This could include inventory management, transportation optimization, production planning, etc. Data sources. Identify the systems, ERP, WMS, or other databases from which AIMS will pull data, such as sales forecasts, inventory levels, or transportation costs. 3. Set up data connections. Connect databases. Use AIMS data connectors to integrate with your existing business systems, example ERP, CRM, or data warehouse. Data mapping. Ensure that the data from these systems is correctly mapped into AIMS so that the necessary data points for modeling and optimization are available. 4. Model your supply chain. Business logic. Set up the models that represent your supply chain's unique structure, such as procurement, manufacturing, and distribution. Objective functions. Define the optimization goals, such as minimizing costs or maximizing throughput, and set the corresponding objective functions in AIMS. Constraints. Establish any business constraints that will guide the optimization process, like capacity limits, demand requirements, or delivery deadlines. 5. Configure supply chain parameters. Lead times, input lead times for raw materials, production times, and distribution schedules. Costs. Set up cost parameters, including transportation costs, storage costs, production costs, etc. Capacity and demand. Define the capacities of various resources, example, factories, warehouse, and expected demand for products. 6. Develop and integrate analytics. Dashboards and reports. Customize dashboards to visualize supply chain performance metrics, such as inventory levels, transportation routes, and production efficiency. Scenario analysis. Set up the ability to run different scenarios, example, what-if analysis, to test the impact of various decisions on your supply chain. 7. User access control and permissions. User roles. Define user roles and permissions based on the different stakeholders in your supply chain, such as supply chain managers, analysts, or executives. Access rights. Ensure that users only have access to the modules and data they need for their roles. What are the key features of AIMS SC Navigator for supply chain optimization? AIMS SC Navigator is a powerful tool for supply chain optimization that helps organizations to design, model, and optimize supply chain operations. Here are some of its key features. Advanced optimization models. AIMS SC Navigator integrates sophisticated optimization models to help improve supply chain performance. It uses mixed integer programming, linear programming, and other mathematical optimization techniques to find the best solutions for inventory management, transportation planning, demand forecasting, and more. Real-time data integration. The platform can integrate with various data sources, ERP systems, databases, IoT devices, etc., to access real-time data for decision-making. This helps ensure that supply chain decisions are based on up-to-date information. Scenario planning and simulation. SC Navigator allows users to create multiple what-if scenarios to simulate different supply chain conditions. This feature helps in assessing the impact of various decisions on supply chain performance, such as demand spikes, changes in lead times, or disruptions. Demand forecasting and inventory optimization. It supports advanced demand forecasting techniques and provides inventory optimization capabilities, ensuring stock levels are maintained efficiently across different locations, minimizing costs while meeting service levels. Cost and profitability analysis. The tool provides visibility into the cost and profitability of different supply chain configurations, helping to identify cost-saving opportunities and maximize profitability. Collaboration tools. AIMS SC Navigator offers collaborative features for supply chain teams, enabling better communication and decision-making across the organization. It includes sharing insights, creating dashboards, and setting performance indicators. Supply chain network design. The platform helps with network optimization by designing supply chain networks, such as locations of warehouse, production plants, and distribution centers, to minimize transportation and operational costs while maximizing service levels. Customizable dashboards and reporting. Users can create custom dashboards and reports that display key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor the supply chain's performance in real time. User-friendly interface. AIMS SC Navigator offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the process of building models, analyzing data, and interpreting results, making it accessible to both supply chain professionals and data scientists. Cloud and on-premises deployment. The platform can be deployed in the cloud or on-premises, offering flexibility depending on the organization's needs and IT infrastructure. How can you use AIMS SC Navigator for demand forecasting and inventory planning? AIMS SC Navigator is a powerful tool designed to assist in supply chain management, including demand forecasting and inventory planning. It leverages optimization models, data analytics, and advanced algorithms to help businesses make data-driven decisions in managing their supply chains. Here's how it can be used effectively for demand forecasting and inventory planning. 1. Demand forecasting with AIMS SC Navigator. Historical data analysis. AIMS SC Navigator can ingest historical sales data and other relevant external data, such as economic indicators or promotional schedules, to predict future demand patterns. The tool uses various forecasting models, example time series analysis, machine learning techniques, to generate accurate demand predictions. Scenario analysis. The platform enables the testing of various demand scenarios, example based on seasonality, market trends, or external factors, to understand how demand may fluctuate in different conditions. This helps businesses prepare for potential demand spikes or downturns. Integration with other tools. AIMS integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems like ERP and CRM to gather and process real-time demand data, improving the accuracy of forecasts and making adjustments as needed based on updated information. 2. Inventory planning with AIMS SC Navigator. Inventory optimization. AIMS SC Navigator can optimize inventory levels based on forecasted demand, lead times, and service level targets. The tool ensures that you maintain the right inventory at each location, reducing the risk of stockouts or overstocking. Multi-echelon inventory management. The tool supports multi-echelon inventory optimization, allowing you to manage inventory across various levels of the supply chain, example, central warehouse, regional distribution centers, and retail stores. This helps in minimizing overall inventory while ensuring availability where and when needed. Safety stock calculation. AIMS SC Navigator calculates optimal safety stock levels based on demand variability and lead times. By doing so, it minimizes the risk of stockouts and helps businesses maintain consistent service levels. Lead time management. By factoring in lead times for production, shipping, and replenishment, the tool ensures that inventory levels are planned accordingly to prevent shortages and backorders. 3. Optimization of supply chain decisions. Integrated Demand and Supply Planning. AIMS SC Navigator helps integrate demand forecasting with supply planning by aligning forecasted demand with available supply capacity. This ensures that inventory is replenished efficiently and that production schedules are aligned with demand. Collaboration with suppliers. The platform supports collaboration with suppliers by sharing forecasted demand data, allowing for better alignment between demand signals and supplier capabilities. Real-time decision support. It offers real-time analytics and decision support tools, allowing businesses to adjust demand forecasts and inventory levels dynamically based on new information, example, market trends, unexpected disruptions, or new orders. 4. Performance monitoring and adjustment. KPIs and metrics tracking. The platform allows businesses to track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as inventory turnover, service levels, and demand forecast accuracy. These metrics help businesses assess the effectiveness of their demand forecasting and inventory planning efforts. Continuous improvement. Based on real-time performance data, AIMS SC Navigator helps businesses adjust their strategies continuously, improving forecasting accuracy and optimizing inventory management over time. What are the best practices for data integration and model building in AIMS SC Navigator? When working with AIMS SC Navigator for data integration and model building, following best practices ensures efficient and scalable solutions. Here are some key practices. 1. Data integration best practices. Data consistency and quality. Ensure that the data being integrated is clean, consistent, and accurate. Use proper data validation checks to avoid issues in later stages of the modeling process. Pre-processing. Use pre-processing steps like data aggregation, normalization, and transformation to make the data suitable for modeling. Ensure that data is structured to match the expected inputs for AIMS models. Automate data import-export. Automate the data import and export processes through AIMS to ensure smooth integration with external systems like databases, ERP systems, or third-party APIs. Use APIs for integration. If AIMS is interacting with other systems, example, cloud services or databases, leverage AIMS API integration capabilities for seamless data transfer and retrieval. Optimize for performance. When integrating large datasets, optimize queries, batch processing, and memory usage to avoid performance bottlenecks. 2. Model building best practices. Modular model structure. Break down your model into smaller, manageable components, example, constraints, variables, and objectives. This helps in debugging, maintaining, and scaling the model. Clear variable naming. Use meaningful names for variables, sets, and parameters. This makes the model easier to understand and maintain. Use modeling hierarchy. Create a logical hierarchy in your model that reflects real-world relationships. For example, using multi-level indices for different dimensions, example time, region, product, can simplify the model. Scalability considerations. Design models with scalability in mind, especially if you're working with large datasets. Use efficient algorithms and solvers that scale well with increasing data. Testing and validation. After building your model, run test cases and validate the results against known benchmarks or historical data. This ensures that the model's outputs are reliable. Document the model. Thoroughly document your modeling process and logic. This will help both in debugging and in future modifications, as well as in collaborating with other team members. 3. Performance tuning. Efficient data handling. Minimize the number of data transfers during the modeling process. Store data efficiently and only keep relevant data in memory. Solver optimization. If your model involves complex optimization problems, experiment with different solvers and optimization techniques available in AIMS. For instance, consider linear programming, LP, mixed integer programming, MIP, or heuristic methods based on the problem type. Parallel processing. If dealing with large-scale problems, leverage AIMS' ability to perform parallel computation where possible to speed up model solving. How does AIMS SC Navigator support scenario analysis and decision-making? AIMS SC Navigator is designed to support scenario analysis and decision-making by providing advanced modeling and analytics capabilities within supply chain management. Here's how it helps. Scenario planning and simulation. SC Navigator allows users to create multiple supply chain scenarios by modifying key variables such as demand, supply, transportation costs, and lead times. These scenarios can be run in parallel, enabling businesses to evaluate the impact of different assumptions and make informed decisions. What-if analysis. With the ability to run what-if scenarios, users can test how various changes, example, shifts in demand, disruptions in the supply chain, affect the overall performance. This allows for assessing risks and planning for unexpected events. Optimization models. AIMS supports optimization techniques to determine the best solutions based on defined objectives, like minimizing costs, improving service levels, or maximizing resource utilization. SC Navigator integrates these models into scenario analysis to help decision-makers select the optimal course of action. Decision support with visual analytics. SC Navigator provides interactive dashboards and visualizations that enable decision-makers to understand the outcomes of different scenarios. This makes it easier to interpret complex data and trends, helping to make data-driven decisions. Collaboration and reporting. The tool also supports collaboration among stakeholders by providing access to reports and insights, which enhances decision-making across teams and departments. Sensitivity analysis. By running sensitivity analysis, users can determine which variables have the most significant impact on the supply chain. This helps prioritize actions based on their potential effect. How do you create custom dashboards and reports in AIMS SC Navigator? Creating custom dashboards and reports in AIMS SC Navigator involves using its built-in tools to configure and personalize the data visualizations to meet specific needs. Here's a general approach. 1. Access the SC Navigator interface. Log in to the AIMS SC Navigator platform. Navigate to the dashboard or reports section where you want to create or customize a new report or dashboard. 2. Create a new dashboard or report. For dashboards, in the dashboard area, select the option to create a new dashboard. Choose from available templates or start with a blank dashboard. For reports, go to the Reports section and select to create a new report. You may be able to select from predefined templates or build a custom report from scratch. 3. Configure data sources. Dashboards and reports typically need data from the AIMS model or other data sources. You can configure the data sources through AIMS SC Navigator by linking the dashboard report to your AIMS model or using external data via integrations. 4. Add and customize widgets or visualizations. Widgets. Choose the type of widget you want. Example charts, tables, gauges for your dashboard or report. Charts and graphs. For reports, select the chart type, bar, line, pie, etc. and customize it based on data variables. Filters. Add filters to allow users to drill down into specific data sets. Data formatting. Customize how the data is presented by adjusting labels, axes, legends, colors, etc. 5. Adjust layout and interactivity. Organize your widgets or report elements on the page. Add interactivity features such as drop-downs, date pickers, or drill-down capabilities to allow users to explore the data further. 6. Apply permissions. Ensure the right access permissions are set so that the dashboard or report is visible to the intended users. You can set roles and access levels for viewing and interacting with the report. 7. Save and share. Once the customization is done, save your dashboard or report. Share the link with stakeholders, or publish the report for scheduled delivery via email, depending on the configuration options available in SC Navigator. Why choose ProExcellency for AIMS SC Navigator online training? ProExcellency offers several advantages for AIMS SC Navigator online training that could make it a great choice. Expert trainers. ProExcellency has experienced professionals with in-depth knowledge of AIMS SC Navigator, ensuring that you receive expert guidance throughout the training. Tailored learning. The courses are customized to meet specific learning needs, whether you're a beginner or someone looking to deepen your expertise in supply chain management with AIMS. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all essential features and functionalities of AIMS SC Navigator, from data integration to optimization and advanced analytics, making sure you get a holistic view. Hands-on approach. The online format is designed to be interactive, with practical exercises that allow you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Flexible learning. With online training, you can learn at your own pace, making it convenient to fit into your schedule. Post-training support. ProExcellency often provides ongoing support after the training, which helps you clarify doubts and solve any challenges you may face while implementing AIMS in your projects. Industry-relevant content. The training is designed to align with current industry practices, helping you stay up to date with supply chain management innovations and best practices. Thank you.